my eyes were just like brighter than usual. My mouth hit the ground.
She has her own bed. This is so beautiful. I cannot believe how gorgeous this is.
She's used to having everybody do everything for her, and now she can take care of a lot of this for herself.
Even just watching him in his wheelchair now, he flows from room to room. Yeah. This is just amazing. It's going to be really good for all of us, for him and for us.
Our daughter Mia has cerebral palsy. She was officially diagnosed at 1 year old. On the second day of life, they said that her lung collapsed. She had high blood pressure, which led to bleeding on the brain. I can honestly say it was the hardest thing ever in our lives because we didn't know if she was going to make it or not.
We had our crying time, and then we just looked at each other and said, you know, we can't cry anymore. It's all about Mia now.
Sadly, because Mia has cerebral palsy, she is not able to walk, which makes it a daily challenge for her and her parents getting in and around her house.
We are concerned as Mia gets older and heavier, getting her in and out of the house and accessibility. We just kind of still treat her like a baby. We take her out of the car, we carry her in, we put her on one of the couches here.
Maximizing space has been a priority for Bob and Liz. They have an increased need for accessibility and a safe space for the kids to grow and play. So what do you say? You guys want to go in?
Absolutely. Cannot wait to see it.
Oh my gosh.
Let's do it.
Oh my God. Fantastic. You just know it's going to be good, but you have no idea exactly how it's going to be designed. Every single corner, every space in that room was changed. They didn't miss a spot.
Oh my God.
It's beautiful. This is your room now?
Oh, you're moving down here?
She said, this is my room. When we left, it was basically just a box with a couch in it. You can't say that now. You look at that basement, it's phenomenal.
The new basement is amazing. It's more comfortable, it's more safe. It was probably the most exciting day of my life.
Oh my God, Mia. Look at this. Oh my God, Mia, this is for you. You want to sleep in it?
God. This is, oh my God, Bobby. I can't believe how beautiful this is. She has her own bed. This is so beautiful. I cannot believe how gorgeous this is. When I went up the stairs, the first thing I noticed was that the door was moved. And I don't know why that hit me. That hit me like a ton of bricks. And then when we opened her room, you created a space that I never could have created. Mia, do you love your room?
I love my room.
So great to see her excited and happy about something.
But when she gets excited, she kicks those limbs, the legs and the arms.
She's jumping out of your arms. I never think I'm going to be shocked. And it's just unbelievable, guys. Thank you so much.
Brian was diagnosed with his cerebral palsy when he was very young. When he wasn't reaching his milestones, I was concerned. And of course, everyone kept saying to me, you're freaking out because you're a special education teacher. And it was probably about 18 months.
18 months, yeah.
He wasn't pulling up to walk or anything like that. And that's when we finally got the diagnosis he had cerebral palsy.
One of the biggest issues facing the Rabimbas' house is accessibility. Brian doesn't have the accessibility throughout the house to join them at meals, in the living room, whatever it is. So that's what we're here to help. You ready to go?
He's ready to go. He's ready to go.
When the chairs are rocking, time comes. Let's go. Let's do it. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
All right.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. This is awesome. What's the bathroom? What's the bathroom?
Brian, what were you asking me about outside the bathroom? Why don't you check it out?
Oh, holy. This is not our house.
Brian, do you see what you just did? You just rolled right in.
You went to the bathroom.
Oh my God. And you can go under here by yourself.
So you can wash your own hands now.
I would never have been able to imagine this. The bathrooms that he likes are always at the hospital or at a hotel. So now this is truly, because they're always handicapped bathrooms. So Brian's going to be able to transfer himself from his wheelchair to a shower chair by himself, which is huge.
1, 2, 3, go! Check it out,
Oh my God. Brian!
There's a lot more room in here.
God, I always wanted one of these beds for him.
Kayak.
You happy?
Oh yeah, Tayak. And look who just showed up again, huh? You're doing laps. In through one door, out through the other.
Even just watching him in his wheelchair now, he flows from room to room. To have no thresholds, opened up wider doors. This is just amazing. It's going to be really good for all of us, for him and for us.
Kaelyn was born at 27 weeks, premature. She was the beaming joy in our family because she was the first girl to be born. And then at like 15 months old, we were following up with the doctor doing what we were supposed to do. And one day they recommended PT for her. And the physical therapist that they sent to the house said to me, "This little girl has CP." And I went, "Wait, what?" They had hoped for her that she would walk someday and that it wasn't a very severe case of CP. And then as the years turned on, we were very blessed and very fortunate because Kaelyn was cognitively normal. She was learning, she was speaking, but she couldn't walk. Just her legs, her arms, her motor function wasn't working. And we took her to every specialist, but she's never gonna walk.
As a result of the cerebral palsy, Kaelyn has significant mobility issues and can't use the bathroom or the stairs on her own. You guys ready to see?
We're so excited.
Yeah? Follow me.
Alrighty.
Holy
Holy moly.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Kaelyn.
Whoa!
Look at the walls. Look at this beautiful bed, Kaelyn. Look at the TV set.
Everything in here, Kaelyn, is now literally operated touch of a button.
What?
Whether you want to change your lights.
Turn the lights purple. Guys, look! Guys, look! I think my reaction, I was like jumping and shaking all over the place.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Like, this is my house.
We got this closet right here, which actually comes down to you.
What?
And her
It's
bed.
freedom for her, right? She's never been free to be a teenager in a room. She can come right in the door. She can go to her desk herself.
Go
She
to
can
the
turn her
bathroom.
lights on by herself.
She's just gonna be just like every other 17-year-old little girl now.
Let's see this over.
Oh my God, look at
boy.
the vanity. You could drive right under it.
Yep, the whole vanity's set for you. Brush your teeth right here.
Oh my God.
Holy moly.
Oh my God, Kaelyn. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my God.
Oh my
Oh my
God.
God, Kaelyn, look. Oh my God, you can drive right in.
Kaelyn, this is, you could have 10 people in here.
Kaelyn has never taken a shower in our home, ever. She's only taken a bath. She's used to having everybody do everything for her, and now she can take care of a lot of this for herself. Everything is within her reach. She doesn't even know how to speak. She can't even talk right now.
She's shaking, she's so happy.
God, it's amazing.
And you can fit the hockey team in that bathroom.
It's huge.
Nick is nonverbal and suffers from epilepsy and cerebral palsy. Keeping an eye on him is crucial because he is constantly at risk for unpredictable falls and seizures. The Stratton family's house needs to be accessible, it needs to be comfortable, and it needs to be safe because keeping up with Nick is both challenging and crucial. And right now, they are not suited for it.
Because of the size and the layout, the current layout, it's not conducive to like what we're, doing on daily tasks here.
How's everyone doing? Yeah? Good to see you guys. Are you guys ready for this?
Oh, definitely.
All right, this may be one of our craziest transformations ever, all for you guys. You ready, Nicholas? Let's go. On your cue.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa,
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
that's insane. And even nowhere near our house.
What? My eyes were just like brighter than usual. My mouth hit the ground.
Oh, look at that.
And as soon as the door cracked open, it was that noticeable. It happened that quickly.
I think they're in shock. Literally took their breath away.
This can't be real.
We didn't extend it 1 square inch, but it's a little different, right?
It seems like it's huge. Just the openness of it's actually making everything easier right away. The weight has been removed from my shoulders
I knew it was, no matter what, it was going to be great, and it far exceeded that.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.